Number 1. Do hand washing or sanitize hands before handling the newborn. Number 2. Get comfortable. Comfort is one of the most important things about holding your baby. Not only do you want to feel physically comfortable, but you also want to feel confident in your hold. Number 3. Provide support. When holding a newborn, it is very important to always have a hand to support the head and neck. Number 4. Choose a position you are comfortable on handling the newborn. And there are a variety of ways on how to do this. So, let's begin! With your baby horizontal at your chest level, slide your hand from their bottom up to support their neck. Gently nudge baby's head into the crook of your elbow. Move your hand from the supporting arm to their bottom. Your free arm will be able to do other things or provide extra support. With baby's body parallel with your own, lift their head to shoulder height. Rest their head on your chest and shoulder so they can look out behind you. Keep one hand on their head and neck, and your other supporting baby's bottom. This position may also allow baby to hear your heartbeat. Lift up your baby while supporting their neck and bottom. Lay your baby's stomach down across your forearm with the head up toward your elbow. Their feet should land on either side of your hand, angled closer to the ground so the baby is at a slight angle. This position is helpful if baby is gassy and needs to be burped. Gently stroke baby's back to work out the gas. When you're done, put down your baby gently. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees, face up. Lift their head up with both of your hands for support and your forearms under their body. Baby's feet should be tucked in at your waist. A sleepy baby may enjoy their feeding so much that they overeat and don't realize they need the pause to burp. Help your baby have a gentler burp and avoid any major gasping by slowing down the feed. Burp your baby between switching sides at the breast or before they finish their bottle. This will also help your baby make room for more milk instead of burping and spitting up any of their food. Gently move your baby all the way up and onto your shoulder. Babies can keep sleeping in this cozy position while the pressure from your shoulder pushes on their tummy to release gas. Keep a burp rag over your shoulder if your baby tends to spit up. You can lift your baby from semi-upright to fully upright and keep them on your chest or sternum area. This may be most comfortable if you're on a couch. Babies like to curl up with their legs in a frog position, and you can support their head and wait for the burp to come. After feeding, you can slowly turn them away from you at 45 degrees so their tummy rests on your forearm. Support their head in the crook of your elbow. Their legs may dangle on either side of your arm. This position puts pressure on their belly and you can gently pat their back until they burp. You can do this position while sitting or standing. If you are sitting in a chair, simply move your baby to a laying position on their tummy on your knees. You can move your legs side to side to rock them and gently pat or rub their back until a burp comes. Burping usually only takes a minute or two.